Hello, friends. How are you? So let's do a quick market. Hello, my Burnell. This is my dog. Okay, so um, let's take a quick look at what's happening with the cryptocurrency market at this moment. So today is August 30, and as we know, Bitcoin is retracing back. So after $50,000 mark, Bitcoin could not go further than that, and most likely, my understanding is just trying to shake off all the leverage traders. As we know, in Bybit, Femex, BitMEX, lots of leverage traders go on long when Bitcoin is going up, and they actually take a huge amount of risk with leverage. So typically market tries to shake them off, but um, we will soon look at the market trend, and I strongly believe that Bitcoin is still continuing its upward trend, even though it's looking a little red right now. Look at last 7 days, and before this week was red. Now the question is, what's going to happen? So we can see this is a really red week, almost all coins on last 7 days. As you can see, it's a downtrend, and we can see which coin on last 7 days lost the most. um, so 25.81%. This is the interesting fact that you would like to see. Look, even the uh, so this is how we know that it's a bull market we're talking about, because last 7 day percentage drop, you see, the max drop we see is 25.81%. On the other hand, if you look at the gains, you see 132%. So 132 is almost six times six five times of 25%, correct? So this is how you know is that this is a bull market, this is a crypto market, and possibly when Bitcoin is retracing back, money is being poured into other altcoins. So Celo has improved really good. So look at this, only few. So as you can see, 1 2 3, maybe 10 or 15 coins which have seen gains. And Solana, okay, that does not surprise me. Solana is a great project, and it's a number 8, so that's a $32 billion project market cap. Phantom, I have heard about it. Tejas has been there for a long time. And Terra, Luna has been doing really well. And I believe the DTube creator also is a validator in Luna, if I remember correctly. So I haven't done Luna. I don't understand Luna. Typically, the DeFi projects I'm not. They can be very interesting, but I look for more social blockchain sort of projects, like Theta, DTube, Elrond. Yes, Elrond has gained 6%. um, well, I don't like Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Not gonna talk about it. Flow. I don't know what flow is. Let's look at flow. What is happening with the flow? What is flow, first of all? This is the first time looking into flow. Flow is a fast and decentralized, developer-friendly blockchain designed as the founder for a new generation of games. Okay, games. Gaming is a big thing. Axie Infinity, we know NFTs, digital assets. Okay, so I'm interested in this. So as we can see, CryptoKitties, Dapper Wallet, NBA Top Shots. Flow is the only layer 1 blockchain originally created by a team consistently delivered great consumer blockchain experiences. So basically this is sort of like branding related, game in-game asset related, or NFT related. So these tokens will always gain value if they are doing a good thing. Let's look at their website. So onflow.org. So let's look at their source code quickly here. Flow. Okay, it's a Go based project. I like that. I love Go language, which means I may be interested in the development. Okay. Kitty items. Okay, I'll take a look at it later. So Flow seems to be, let's look at their videos quickly here. Okay. That's an amazing video. I really liked how they made this video. And basically, as you can see, they are trying to get to the popular cultural aspect of it, trying to get the buzz with people in sports, maybe also people who like collectibles, and people who like to buy tokens for sporting events and stuff. And what is their market cap? Ooh, 4% circulating supply, which means there's a huge. So this literally came when? Okay. So which market has it? So this is a new. Okay, Binance already has it. And historical data, August 29, July. So when did this coin came into market is what I'm trying to see actually. So if I put all here, okay, so January. So there was a huge drop here. So it came all the way to $7. Now it's 21, so three times. So that means it can reach to $38. So what's the market cap? So $38. Even if you buy now, right now, $21.25. So 1.5x about. Okay, that's not bad. But it may have even more potential. So I guess if you look at NFT, so some similar ones that I talked earlier is XC Infinity is another one, but this is what this is what we would like to. What is happening here? Why can't I go to XC Infinity? Interesting. I don't know what's happening. XC Infinity. Okay. So this, look at this circulating supply. So 23% already circulated, meaning like already gone. Compared to with Flow, if we look, Flow is 4% only. So this is why I would like to get into Flow more than XC Infinity. Does that make sense? Because there's still, so look at 67,387 watch list versus it's 140,000. So this is a growing project. So it has more potential to go up faster. So I'm basically scalping right now. So Decentraland Mana, I already know. Mana, I used to have Mana, and this has huge potential. Quant, USD, Bitcoin, Pax Dollar, Terra USD. Now let's look at which coin has lost the most. So AMP, okay, AMP has pumped a lot earlier, so I'm not surprised that everybody dumped it. So on 24-hour, 10% down. Okay, so lots of people has sold AMP at a high profit. So AMP is still very cheap, and it's number 57. Okay, I forgot to see the ranking of Flow. Flow is at number 76, so it just reached $1 billion. Okay, Good to know about flow. Binance USD, Terra USD. Okay, let's look at this one, the one that lost the most on over 7-day trend. Helium. Okay, I know Helium. Matic has lost 18% because Matic also pumped a lot. So Audius is decentralized Spotify sort of, and it has lost $2.51 from its top. Let's see what was its top. Okay, so Audius was 3.34. Maybe it's a nice dip, so I would like to buy Audius there. And AMP, let's take a look what's happening with AMP. Okay, AMP was pumped, that's August 23rd, 0.07. So AMP, because of its price being so low, but AMP also 46% circulated supply. So these projects are still whatever project you have, the circulating supply low means still these are growing and a lot to grab these cryptocurrencies. So what about ODS? ODS may not have a total supply. They don't have, they have a total supply, but they don't have a max supply, sort of what we have in DTube. So these are inflationary rather than deflationary. On the other hand, the graph, I like the graph. The graph, what's happening with the graph? 7% down. Okay, so how much down? Okay, graph. Okay, graph has pumped a lot earlier, and I think it's a really good opportunity to buy graph here. 0.8, 2.7. Oh, that means 3 into 0.8, 2.4, almost 3 times. It has a potential to go 3 times once Bitcoin starts going up again. I'll probably buy back some graph there. Okay, sushi 17% down. Shiba Inu Theta 15% down. Theta is $6. Good time to buy. Good time to buy. And Doge, I don't like those. I'm not gonna talk about those. Okay, so ontology. I never had ontology. Sometimes I always see this, but I don't know. This this does not sound good to me. This can be a little prejudice, and that's why I'm looking. I don't want to be prejudiced. So ontology is a high performance open source blockchain specializing in digital identity. Oh, I should be looking into this. Digital identity and data. Digital identity is a big thing because the way we are on DTube and other social platforms, especially, it's very important to distinguish between spam accounts versus real accounts, real user accounts, and um, and I think a service like this can be awesome. Actually, I would like to look at their source code quickly. So that is ontology here. Okay, nice. So that's also a Go based project. So this is kind of interesting. I like that so many crypto projects are in Golang right now. So that is another reason why I would like to probably have a Go client for Avalon, our DTube blockchain. So anyway, let's look at Aave. So this is a big dip. This is a big dip to buy Chainlink. I love Chainlink. I love Chainlink and Monero, VeChain. So basically, if you, I already have some VeChain, BAT. I like Brave, File. So this is a great dip to buy. Is all I can see here. So I would now go take a quick look at Bitcoin market here and Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, the big three here. Let's so Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. So let's look at the price here. What's happening? So this is what happened. So this is a 4-hour chart here. So last 4 hour, Bitcoin has lost a lot. So that is 3.3% down. However, we are still on strong upward trends, are we not? So this is the trend I'm talking about. This is the trend. Okay, the trend got broken a little bit there. The trend got broken a little bit there. Let's look at RSI. What is happening? RSI, 4-hour RSI. Okay, so RSI, let's look at this. Look at this. So RSI is now at 39. Okay, so this line, so there's a support here. Now the question is whether RSI bounce will happen or not. It's a possibility. It's a possibility for having a bounce like that. This is good. I actually like that Bitcoin has reached here. This is what I'm talking about. Bitcoin has reached to this. Bitcoin has uh, reached 51,000. Now it's taking a little breather for next move. Okay, so it has reached here 50,000. Now it's going sideways. Now what's are some of the biggest support here? Let's look at the 3 EMA here. Okay, nice. This is what I'm talking about. So this is 21 moving average, exponential moving average, the red one. Okay, as long as the red one is above the blue one, that is for sure bull market. Now is the cross happening? It seems like the cross is happening a little bit, or maybe there will be a jump again from here. So basically right now the blue one is acting like a resistance here. Okay, so now let's look at CPR here. CPR, central pivot lines. So these are, I believe right now I have so this blue one is the central CPR, then this is the R1 line. So if you look on a bigger time frame, you'll understand more. So if I go to the daily, okay, so look here, so typically this, when Bitcoin was going up like this, then it was acting like a resistance, then ultimately it crossed, so now it's going to act like a support. So what is the target? The target is basically this green line here, which is 8%. So we are talking about 51,000. So that's what I think. So let's say Bitcoin pumps again, so Bitcoin is supposed to go to 51%. Or so we are talking about a pump like from here to here, 51%. On the other hand, if Bitcoin dumps, Bitcoin is coming to this green line here, so which is 46,000. Let's say that 46,000 gets broken, still we are bullish as long as we are at 44, this blue line here. So if let's say Bitcoin goes down like this blue line here, so that is 44,000. So we are talking about something like this. So if Bitcoin breaks 43,000, this line that I have my alert on, then I'll be alerted. As long as Bitcoin is above this line, this it's a range bound situation. As long as it's range bound, I will be still long, because I'll be still long, hoping for Bitcoin to have the nice jump up in the year end, and who knows how far we will go. So that's the kind of thing I'm thinking in terms of Bitcoin. Look at Ethereum now. What is happening in Ethereum? Let's hide the CPR. Okay, this is the previous support I have looked in. So actually last 4 hours Ethereum also got dumped a little. Now Ethereum is going up. So what is gonna happen, I believe, is Ethereum and both Bitcoin, they basically eventually this line will act like a little bit resistant that means for Ethereum's case it probably 3500 eventually if it goes starts going up. On Bitcoin's case, where's the line? So we are talking about 51,000 around. So basically trying to Bitcoin will possibly try to uh, break possibly try to break the previous all-time high previous high, but typically there will be multiple attempts, then probably it will be able to break it. Let's look at Cardano very quickly. And Cardano, as I showed, there was a parabolic rise like that, but now as you can see, the parabolic rise is broken here. So Cardano started going sideways also, which is not bad. The same reason. The thing about Cardano is Cardano has already broken its all-time high. So sky is the limit for Cardano here. Sky is the limit for Cardano here. Okay, that's all for today with the market news. I hope you guys liked. I am actually I recently today I started to look into some NFTs too. I haven't been big on NFTs, but I'm thinking about getting into NFTs, and OpenSea.io is one of the big NFT marketplace. So soon I'm never going to go full in NFT, but I would like to have a little bit investment in NFT, and hopefully we'll talk about what my research shows up. So in next video I'll make a video on NFT. I learned some my interest in NFT. I should give the credit to this YouTube channel, Alex Baker. Alex Baker. It's not that I always like all the commentary he makes, but I follow him, and for you, so he's a real gambler, so he knows how to make money. So Alex, so I have seen some videos of Alex and I got interested into, he convinced me to get into this one, black and white nights. Yeah, that's what so black and white nights, maybe quickly we can see black and white nights. Oh, how do I find it? Black and white nights. Is it? Oh, it's probably all sold. That's why it's no longer here. Can I not see the? I don't know. Black and white nights. OpenSea. Black and white nights. OpenSea. Okay. Must. Maybe I found it. Okay. Okay. This is black and white nights. Okay. I probably still don't know how to search the NFTs properly. So these are really interesting photography. So actually, that's the thing. This is how I got interested. Typically, I'm not very interested in this digital kind of arts, like CryptoKitty sort of thing. Like, I'm not that guy who will buy like this digital art. I know that many people may like it, and many people play games. They sort of like to buy this stuff, but that does not attract me. So the kind of things that attract me is photography like this, because I personally like to take nice photographs, and these are the kind of projects, because photographs are basically moments, right? Important moments of life that basically symbolizes many things. And I can totally see why, just like you would like to buy a great painting, and I can totally see why basically limited number of like the items, 50 items. So basically making it rare. Just like Bitcoin, you have fixed amount of things, 21 million Bitcoins. So if an artist basically creating a brand for some creating a sort of rare, beautiful things or valuable things which people can value, that can be amazing photographs, music, or anything. I can see why I would be interested in buying them and holding them and probably selling them in future also. So after thinking upon that, I got interested, and I got convinced that maybe I can also participate in some of these projects and also help these artists, because I have a lot of artist friends too. So we will deep dive in NFT in future, and I will stop it here. I really enjoyed making this video. Hope this helps. So I'll come more with more contents, more interesting contents. Hello all the tubers, and because I also upload my videos on third party on YouTube, so YouTubers also, thank you for watching, and please thumbs up, upvote my content, and encourage me more. Thank you.